it's Kate with WTI, and this little bottle is a secret to my skincare routine.
This vitamin C serum is by Eclat Skincare. I love this little bottle. So easy to use that dropper, and it's the perfect size that I can take with me when I travel, which this definitely comes with me wherever I go because it is a vital part of my skincare routine. I use this every morning before I put any makeup on. I use it along with some other skincare products, and I find that it does an amazing job at moisturizing my face. I just put about 3 drops on and then I gently massage those in. It is wonderful. I naturally have very oily skin, but this in no way feels oily. It feels light and refreshing. It visibly brightens my skin. Even on days when I don't wear any makeup, I feel so much brighter and refreshed when I start the day with this serum. So I am super happy with it. And when I do wear foundation, I notice it goes on a lot smoother when I have my skin hydrated. So this is a vital part of my skincare routine. I absolutely love this serum.
I love incorporating vitamin C serum into my skincare. I feel like it has made a huge difference in the health and overall glow of my skin. Check this one out. I'm super happy with it, and I think that you will be too. That's just my point of view.